Hello everyone, I am Arzu, Atomy Sales Master and Indore Eminent Center Leader, and today we will be looking at how to use Atomy Evening Care 4 Set. Atomy's Evening Care 4 Set gives you an amazing personal at-home spa experience for clear, radiant skin. Let's take a look at what inside. Atomy's Evening Care 4 Set comes with deep cleanser, foam cleanser, peeling gel and peel-off mask. Notice how there's two cleansers. That's because Atomy uses the Korean double cleansing method, which involves both an oil-based cleanser as well as water-based cleanser. Cleansing is the first and most important step of any skincare routine. Nutrients can't be absorbed into our skin if our pores are blocked. So let's go wash our face. Step 1. Atomy Deep Cleanser. Take an appropriate amount of deep cleanser on your hands. Apply the deep cleanser onto your dry face and gently massage in circular motions, moving upwards and outwards. This deep cleanser helps to dissolve not just makeup but also any impurities that builds up from the pollution we are exposed to in our daily environment. Ginseng and ginkgo extracts hydrates and firms the skin, while carrot extract retains elasticity and provides a healthy glossy glow. Massaging promotes circulation and relaxes the skin for greater absorption of moisture and nutrients, making the skin appear moist and glossy. Rinse off with warm water or wipe off with a tissue. You can see you don't need to be too thorough here since we will be washing our face again a second time. Step 2. Atomy Foam Cleanser. Take a pea-size amount of foam cleanser. This is the only step where you start with the wet face. Foam cleanser with wet hands and works into a really rich lather. Apply the foam onto your wet face to cleanse, purify and refresh your skin. Make sure your hands and face are sufficiently wet in order to form the bubbles into a really rich foam. That's the key to getting a good cleanse with this product. The rich lather removes sebum in the pores to help maintain clean and healthy skin. Rinse off with water and pat dry. Mushroom and rice extracts provide a hydrated finish while nourishing your skin. You can see results. Step 3. Atomy Peeling Gel. Take a generous amount of the peeling gel onto your clean hands. Apply the peeling gel onto your clean dry face, avoiding your eye and mouth area. Even out the product on your skin, but don't rub it in too much. Now let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Willow bark extract allows for removal of waste during the massage. Now massage your face in circular motions to gently exfoliate the dead skin cells without irritating the skin like many other exfoliants, which can be too abrasive and actually damage your skin. You can see the peeling gel components absorbing the dead skin cells. Exfoliation prepares the skin for better absorption of nutrition. For sensitive skin, use less frequently. For extra sensitive skin, avoid massaging and simply rinse off the gel after leaving it on for a couple minutes. Now, rinse well with normal water or warm water. After, pat dry with a clean towel. Now, step 4. Atomy Peel Off Mask. Take a sufficient amount of peel off mask. Then apply an even layer of the peel off mask onto your clean dry face. Once again, avoiding the eye and mouth area. This mask helps to minimize pores, brightens the skin and firms the skin. You can use your hands to apply the mask. However, a facial spatula will help you to apply the mask more evenly. Amethyst powder helps to clean and clear clogged pores, while Centella extract gives skin the appearance of elasticity and firmness. Jade powder helps in active circulation of skin and also refines the skin surface. Once you are done applying the mask, wait 30 minutes or until completely dry. Wait for 30 minutes. Unlike some other products, this make is safe to be worn overnight. However, if you do use it overnight, make sure you first add enough moisture and nutrition from your Atomy skincare line. Now peel off the mask from bottom to top to unravel beautifully renewed skin. Now you can see. So these were the unique features of Atomy Evening Care 4 set. You really love the set because when used properly, you can really see a difference immediately after each use. Plus, it's super affordable. I personally use the cleansers on a daily basis and I typically try to do the entire facial about 1 to 2 times a week as part of my daily skincare routine. I hope this video helps you with your skincare needs. Thank you for watching.